law of attraction. They are working hard. They are working under pressure. Yes. Some people believe to working hard. So each and every people who worked hard cannot achieve the goals in their life. So this is the procedure. But some people believe that the working hard is the one and only thing to achieve our goals in their life. So don't try to talk the law of attraction with these people. Just 4 type of people. Who are them? Yes. Some people believe that if we try to achieve the goals or the high income, they believe that we should get another permanent job or a government job. What about the government job? They believe just after they are just retired, we can be lazy at home, don't just without doing any work and achieve their pension. The most people firmly believe that you try to talk the law of attraction with these people, you are in huge trouble. So please be careful. Yes, what are the 5th categories? Some people believe that actually the most parents, their students are learning in the universities, especially in medicine or engineering. They believe that attending to the universities, attending to the universities or being a doctor or an engineer is the most successful way to achieving our goals. The attitude is like that. So from the childhood, they always try to teach the medicine or engineering to attend to the university to become a doctors or engineers. We can easily find these people from their dialogues and their attitudes when we associate this. So please be careful and don't try to talk the law of attraction with these people. So those are the 5 types of people which I mentioned. So if you don't know before, please follow this procedure, or if you have already tried to talk the law of attraction with these people, please stop it and don't do it in your future. If you follow the law of attraction, you share your knowledge from the friends and the society, so that's not your problem. But the most important factor is being silent and achieving the goals, and please select the people who are interested in the law of attraction and only speak with these people. So I believe that this program will be very important and useful for your life and for your knowledge. So you are welcome from our next video from that day. Goodbye to everyone.